Right guys, I need to ask you a big favor. I need you to go over to another channel and subscribe to the channel. I also would love it if you went further than that and watched some videos on there. As many as you can, just play them, switch the, mute the volume and go and put the tea on, do whatever it is you're going to do, supper. Or even watch the videos. There's some good videos on the channel. Many reasons why I need you to do it, but I know I've asked you this before. I really need a big favor. If you love us, if you love the channel, you'll do this for us. It'll only take 1 minute. The link is in the description below under this video. Now I'm going to play the video at the end to remind you as well. Please guys, it's very important to me you subscribe to the channel. Just forget about it. Don't subscribe and then unsubscribe in the future. Please don't. We need about 450, but don't think other people's going to do it. You do it, please. Subscribe to the video. Hit the like button and everything when you're in there. Thanks very much, and we'll see you after this video again. Right, I'm hoping that we're not it's not going to pick the music up, because I'm just going to get demonetized and it's going to be a waste of time, isn't it? So we're here, look, and Filipinas, as per usual, are doing the selfies. The mask comes down for a few seconds so we can see the mush. Hi. Hi, say hi.
We are into social distancing.
Yes, we can do the social distancing. We've got to do that.
We have.
Yeah.
We need to cut our masks.
Yeah. We don't have to have our masks on now. But why do they say no mask and you can't enter then? I mean, how are you going to eat food with a mask on?
Yes.
Unless you have a zip in the middle and you can just put it through. So Annie, how are you? What you been doing with yourself? I've not seen you for a long time. You look very serious.
Very serious.
Oh, you're happy? Really? I hate to see you when you're not happy.
Is that the face of happy?
So, Annie.
Hello.
Why have we not seen you for such a long time?
Because the lockdown.
Just because of the lockdown, not because you think I'm
already separated my husband.
you're separated from your husband. I thought it was because you didn't like me anymore because I was fat, old and ugly. No? You still like me, but I'm still fat, old and ugly. Thank you very much, anyway. So you're separated from your husband?
Yes, already.
So are you looking for another relationship at the moment, or no?
Not now.
Not now.
Because I'm not ready.
You're not ready. I understand that. When might you be ready?
Later. Maybe tomorrow.
So it would be no good, guys, wanting to get in touch with you at the moment because you're just not interested in a relationship at the moment.
So they cannot entertain you lang kasi they're not ready at this moment.
Yeah. So you can see the immediate difference between Annie and Kat. Kat's English is spot on, and Annie's English is conti lang. So let's go on to Kat's. Now, just to give you a little bit of background first, Kat's hasn't long been out of a relationship, not through choice. It was because she was dating a guy from, where was he from? Switzerland. They just had a really great time in the Philippines. He hadn't been back in Switzerland long, and unfortunately, sadly, he had a heart attack and he's passed away. So Kat finds herself single again. So the question is, Kat, have you moved on?
Yeah.
You've moved on now. So if somebody contacted you were interested in, I guess you would be happy to have a relationship now. Now, you're single, but you do have 2 children?
Yeah, I have 2 boys. One is 6 years old and 4 years old.
Right. What do you see in your future with a foreigner? Do you see yourself staying in the Philippines, or do you see yourself leaving the Philippines and going to where they live? What would be the best option for you?
I guess staying in the Philippines.
Staying in the Philippines, you'd be
But
quite happy to do
I
that.
also want to go to other countries.
So you'd,
Just to try their culture because it's still hard.
yeah, you'd like to travel.
Yeah, I want to try how it is, what is their culture. Okay, so I want to, like that, just experience their cultures.
So you would prefer a guy who isn't ready to just sit in the house and go to the beach every now and then?
Not really.
No.
I don't think about it. I
So,
don't have this specific guy.
right. So, for example, let's say you got a guy like me. I'm not one of these that wants to travel everywhere and been there, done that now. I just want a quiet life. Maybe go to the beaches, maybe, go to somewhere in the Philippines every now and then. Would that be okay, or would you want something more than that?
I don't think so. I don't know.
You don't know. Would it depend? I guess it would depend on the guy you met, wouldn't it?
I guess so.
And what you talked
But
about.
he also, because I also think about what he likes.
Hmm.
Because I can, what do you call this, adjust. I can adjust.
You can
on
adjust.
what he likes.
Right.
He want to do, and he also need to adjust on what I want and what I want to do.
There you go. You
It's like
see.
give and take.
Now, the thing you need to know about Cats is she knows her own mind, right? I think you'd definitely know where she stood on every kind of subject. She'd have an opinion, wouldn't you, Cats? Yeah. And I mean that in a nice way. I'm not trying to be offensive. So, when it comes down to age, what age would be ideal for you?
I always, before I go to the dating site, so I probably say for 35 to 50 years old.
Right.
I always put that on the age range that I'm looking because I want a mature guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I want to balance.
Right. And you obviously, a lot of Filipina girls want guys that have finished looking for other women and want to settle down and just have eyes for you. Yeah. So
I'm not into younger guys or same age with me. I want a mature girl.
because of the immaturity gap.
Yes.
Can I ask you a question then? Would you agree with me that girls in the 20s, present company accepted, are less immature, not as mature as maybe a Western girl in the late 20s because of the culture and how they've been brought up? Would you say there's a maturity gap there?
Yes.
And guys should go for somebody, no younger than 30, maybe 35 onwards, if they want a girl that's, yeah.
Me, I consider myself because sometimes even though I already have 2 kids, I'm still immature. You know how I think sometimes, how I act. It's
Oh, that's
quite,
refreshing.
Immature sometimes. Sometimes I depend on someone decision. I still need to listen to other what goes other like advice. Seek for advice.
I think you need to come to our house and sit and talk to Mel for a bit.
I guess so. I guess. Yeah.
So anyway, Annie, you're looking very beautiful today, as is Cats, of course. It's a shame that you're not on the market, because there's lots of guys out there would love to come and see you. And I bet you found that out, haven't you? Because there's guys trying to contact you all the time. Now, you've got to understand, guys, when you see the vacant look, that's because she doesn't understand everything I'm saying.
No, I understand.
Konti lang. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna order, guys. When the food comes, we'll show you the food, and then we'll show you a little bit at the end, and then that's the video. So see you in a bit. I've just been having a very interesting conversation with Katz about the Chinese import, and Annie's just been listening to us taking photos on the phone. No, I'm being sarcastic. She hasn't actually been listening, she's just been taking photographs. So anyway, I've ordered the ribs because last time Mel's encouraged me to get the ribs. I didn't really want them, but I'm pleased I did because I really enjoyed it. And then Kat's done the same thing. Look, she's got the ribs, and you get the iced tea. It's like a packaging with the ribs when you order them.
This is the package already with this one.
Yeah.
On this one.
Yeah, you get some soup. I've already had my soup, look, because I'm a pig. And Annie didn't want ribs. She wanted, what did you want, Annie? Curry, beef curry. Yeah. So Annie, how are you managing through this? Because you can't work at the moment, can you?
How can you manage? Paano mo na ma-handle? Paano ka nag-decide? Kasi may work.
I just extra work.
Part-time.
You're just extra.
Part-time job.
So what happens if they lock you down again and you can't go out?
Paano na kapag na-lockdown ka na hindi ka na pwede mag-cook? Paano ka makaka-survive?
So what about you, Kat? Are you surviving?
Yeah.
No, how are you surviving? How?
I still have some little savings.
You have a little savings. So how, thank you. So how long would this have to go on for before you'd start to get a bit worried?
I don't know. It's not enough.
Uh,
The savings will get deserved.
okay. This curry is really nice. I think if there's a little bit left, I might have some, but all that rice will go straight away. Look at the curry. Just get close to it. Look at that. Very nice. It's beautiful. It's like, tastes like nuts.
It is.
It's really nice. So there's not enough traffic, customers coming through here, I don't think, to make this to keep this place going. They've got all plastic screens, look, around where the counters are. Let's just go and see if there's much in the way of cakes, because if there's not a lot of customers, I wouldn't have thought there'd be lots of cakes. There's quite a few cakes, as you can see, but not as many as there normally is. So, and there's these jar things. Says, look, please don't touch. Got all different kinds of cookies. Very nice. So there's a one-way system which I just ignored when I come in. Well, there you go. So we'll play you the last bit once we've finished eating, guys, and say goodbye to you all. Right, guys, we're finished. And look at my plate. All gone. And I've ate some of Annie's. But look at Kat's plate. And I've took some meat off there. Now that's why she's got such a nice figure, look.
Aww.
Because I don't know, she eats like a little kitten. And Annie didn't eat a lot. Was it nice though, Annie, what you did eat?
Me.
Masarap?
Yes, masarap.
Masarap. Sobrang?
Sobrang sarap.
Yeah, that's it.
Masharap.
Masharap. Okay. So we've had a really nice talk and a really nice meal. It's been great to meet Cats again, and of course Annie, because we haven't seen her. Oh, mind you, I saw her briefly a little while ago when we had a little problem. So it's over to you then, Annie. Yeah, it's over to you.
Please hit the like button
Please subscribe.
and please share all.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Right guys, I need to ask you a big favor. I need you to go over to another channel and subscribe to the channel. I also would love it if you went further than that and watched some videos on there. As many as you can, just play them, switch the, mute the volume and go and put the tea on, do whatever it is you're going to do, supper, or even watch the videos. There's some good videos on the channel. Many reasons why I need you to do it, but I know I've asked you this before. I really need a big favor. If you love us, if you love the channel, you'll do this for us. It'll only take 1 minute. The link is in the description below under this video. Please guys, it's very important to me you subscribe to the channel. Just forget about it. Don't subscribe and then unsubscribe in the future. Please don't. We need about 450, but don't think other people's going to do it. You do it, please. Subscribe to the video, hit the like button and everything when you're in there. Thanks very much.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,